A drop of water. Simple. Transparent. Temple. But what if I told you that inside her is there an entire universe? Yes, a microscopic ecosystem, a world full of living creatures, invisible to the naked eye, but incredibly active. Today, you will dive into this hidden world and discover what is really hidden inside a single drop of water. What we will reveal, it can completely change your view of reality. And at the end of this video, you may never look at water the same way again. Most people live their entire lives without imagining that she is surrounded by invisible life. We are used to trusting our eyes, but our eyes, they were not made to see the invisible. You see a puddle of water or a glass of crystal clear water, but the microscope reveals something completely different. Each drop of water can contain hundreds of thousands of living beings. Some are feeding, others reproducing, many are at war. Literally, in this invisible universe, time works differently. Reactions are quick, the movements almost instantaneous, but everything follows a logic, a natural order. Just like in large forests or oceans, there are predators here too, and prey, hunting, leak, survival. And among the most fascinating creatures, there are the tardigrades. Called water bears, tardigrades are true survivors. They can enter a state of suspended animation and come back to life years later. They survive temperatures below -200 degrees and above 150. Radiation that would kill a human in minutes does not affect a tardigrade. In 2007, they were sent into space. They floated in the vacuum, out of air, no water, and they survived. Yes, these beings live inside a drop of water. But tardigrades are not alone. We also have rotifers. With a rotating mouth, they create a whirlpool of water, sucking in small particles and smaller beings. They look like machines, but they are alive. We have predatory protozoa. They hide, waiting for the perfect prey, and then they attack with invisible claws. And then there are the transparent worms. They crawl slowly, gliding through the liquid. No eyes, no lungs, but alive. They breathe through their skin, and often they feed on other worms. Do you think intelligence is exclusive to humans? These microscopic beings have complex behaviors. Some communicate through movement or chemical signals. Others form colonies and protect each other together. There are even primitive forms of warfare, where microorganisms release toxins to kill competitors. There are viruses that infect protozoa and bacteria that live inside other beings. It's a cycle within a cycle, an ecosystem within another. All this within a drop. If a drop of water contains all this, what else are we failing to see? What if our own body? Are you full of worlds like this? Spoiler, it is. We are made up of trillions of cells, but we also carry more microorganisms than human cells. We are closer to the invisible than we imagine. Now, look again at a simple glass of water. Do you still see only water, or see a universe full of life? If this content surprised you, imagine what's yet to come. Subscribe to the channel now. Leave your like so that more people discover this invisible world. Share this video with those who love science, mysteries, and curiosities. Comment below. Which creature would you most like to see expanded upon in another video? It is clear. Activate the bell so you don't miss the next dives into the microscopic universe. Because the invisible, it is just beginning to be revealed.